Welcome all. In my previous session, I had explained about the classification of adverb. Now we are going to learn about the kinds of adverb. Now what is an adverb? I already explained you in the previous session. But still I repeat again. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Now what are the kinds of adverb? We have 8 kinds of adverb. Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree or quantity, adverbs of reason, adverbs of affirmation, lastly adverbs of negation. So these are all the kinds of adverb. Now let me explain you each adverb, that is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time show the time of action. When an action takes place in a particular time, the time is mentioned in the adverbs of time. Wasted time never returns. It tells about the time. I have seen her before. It tells about the time. Before is telling about the time. Information was received lately. The word lately tells about the time. Secondly, adverbs of place. The adverbs of place show the place of work, where the work takes place. So it tells the reply to where. My teacher lives here. Here is the place. Walk backward. Backward is the place. Go there. There is the place. Next is adverbs of manner. Now adverbs of manner show how a work is done or in what manner the work takes place. Example, the child cried loudly. The manner loudly. I heard the same clearly. Clearly is the manner. This story is well written. Well is the manner. Next is adverbs of frequency. Frequency. Frequency means how often like. Adverbs of frequency show how frequent an action is or showing how often the action takes place. I always try to do my best. Always. I have often seen her in the church. Often. He seldom comes here. Seldom means rarely. Seldom is a frequency. Next is adverbs of degree or quantity. Adverbs of degree show how much or what degree or what extent the action is done. Here you see, she is altogether confused. Altogether is a degree. Degree. You are quite all right. Quite. Quite is a degree. You are quite all right in this matter. Quite is the degree. She is partly mistaken. Partly is the degree. Next is adverbs of reason. Now adverbs of reason show why or the reason for the action. It is telling about the reason for the action. That is why it is called adverbs of reason. She is hence unable to refuse the invitation. Hence. He is therefore left school. Therefore. They are therefore unable to go there. Therefore. They are therefore unable. Therefore. Next is adverbs of affirmation. Affirmation is positive. Positive. Adverbs of affirmation. Now, adverbs of affirmation show positive aspect of an action. Affirmation means positive. Affirmative sentences we have learned, they are positive sentences. So, affirmation shows positive aspect of the action. Example, Chinese goods are certainly cheaper. Certainly. That is the positive. Surely all of them passed with distinction. Surely is the adverbs of affirmation. Next is, they certainly got sufficient to eat. Certainly. Certainly is the affirmation. The next is adverbs of negation. That is the last adverb, adverbs of negation. They show, adverbs of negation show the negative aspect of the action. The police did not catch the thief. Negative action of the negative action is the negation, adverbs of negation. She does not know about him. Does not know about him. I do not want anything from you. Negative action. So with this, I conclude here. We shall continue after a short break. Thank you.